Yeah, I'm Darryl Fiddler, the Farm Operations Manager at Bilbul Wines here in Griffith, New South Wales, Australia. Today we're harvesting some of our 650 hectares of rice. This is the first season we've run the CLAAS LEXION. Previous to that we had another machine. So we've done about 80 hours in the CLAAS LEXION harvest this season already. It's excelling our expectations in the rice with the throughput and the ability to handle the tough green conditions. This year we have a lot of lodging of our rice crop, and the CLAAS doesn't seem to worry too much about that and maintains full harvest capacity. Previously we had a twin rotor machine. Coming back to the hybrid drum machine, it's definitely handling the tougher green conditions throughout our harvest program. The advantages of the hybrid system is we're getting a lot more productivity out of the machine later into the nights and the tough conditions come in. Just the capacity of this machine alone is 40% better than our previous machine. The automation system, the cruise pilot, it's a key feature of the machine, allowing me to set up the machine to allow other operators to run the machine at full capacity while the machine's constantly looking after itself. The conditions this year in the rice, we've got wet ground from recent rainfall. We've had some strong winds which created lodging through our fields. The CLAAS LEXION with the wider track is floating across our paddocks, leaving minimum damage considering how wet the ground is. Previous to our other machine that used to have a bit of trouble with the back axle sinking, the CLAAS LEXION seems to be excelling in the wet conditions. Some of the other key features is the CMOS automation, how simple it is to set and run. From not using an automation system to actually step into one this season, I found it quite easy to manage to set up everything the way I wanted the machine to run. Our overall satisfaction with the machine is more than we expected out of the machine. We've got fuel savings and higher productivity per hour. The support from our local dealership, JJ Farm Equipment in Griffith, has been exceptional. Also the backup support out of CLAAS has been exceptional to set up this machine properly.